Your gardening world is about to get a lot more comfortable. Whether you're spending a quick 15 minutes among the flowers, or you have a day filled with chores, a reliable garden seat or kneeler is a real game changer. Finding the perfect gardening seats and kneelers can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best gardening seats and kneelers from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat. This 2-in-1 garden stool will help you tackle long hours in the garden, making it easier every step of the way. The clever gadget gives you the best of both worlds. Flip it up for a comfy bench to take a well-deserved break, or lay it flat for a cushy kneeling pad that says goodbye to knee and back pain. Made from solid steel, this garden kneeler is tough enough to handle up to 330 pounds in all kinds of weather. The ultra-soft cushion is good for your joints, keeping you cozy while you plant, weed, or harvest. If you have a gardener in your life who is hard to shop for, this just might be the perfect gift. Your gorgeous garden is a labor of love, and hours hunched over can really add up. Give yourself some much-needed relief with the Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat. With a thickened and widened soft EVA cushion than general garden kneeler, this Ohuhu garden stool provides a buffer between your knees, lower back, and the cold, hard ground. You'll be able to work for hours without the pain. High-quality steel maximizes strength while minimizing weight. The Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat can support up to 330 pounds and is light enough to be carried comfortably. Better still, the tough EVA cushioning material is long-lasting and weather-resistant. Grow your perfect garden with Ohuhu. Need a kneeler? How about a chair? Treat yourself to both. The innovative design can be converted from a kneeler to a seat in a matter of seconds. Simply set it down to use as a kneeler, or extend the legs for a quick and easy seat. Number 2. Opley Folding Camping Stool. Whether you're tending to your flower beds, managing your vegetable garden, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment in your backyard, this portable stool is an easy and affordable option. Ultra-light at just 1.5 pounds, it's effortlessly portable, allowing you to move it around your garden or pack it away with ease. Despite its featherweight and compact folding size, roughly 17 inches by 6 inches, it's still strong and is supposed to support up to 320 pounds. It has an added pocket for garden tools, a phone, or water bottle. This stool is ideal for gardeners who want a small, sturdy stool without having to spend a lot of money. Point 1 of the purchased review is, I bought this with the sole purpose of using it as a footstool. I currently have a folding rocking chair, and sometimes I just need to put my feet up while I'm reading on my front porch. This works great. It's short enough, it's lightweight, the legs are metal, and the seat material seems durable. The only drawback is that, like most folding chairs, it starts to collapse in on itself like a dying star when there is only weight in the middle. If there was a locking mechanism for the legs, I would give this little guy 5 stars. Number 3. Suncast Outdoor Rolling Garden Scooter. The Suncast Outdoor Rolling Garden Scooter is the perfect blend of mobility and convenience. At first glance, it might not look super sturdy, but it holds up in both dirt and grass. Plus, it's one of the few options that you can truly count on for storage. The seat itself will hold up to 225 pounds, but it also has a pop-out kneeling pad to use for kneeling. One of the best features is the 2 drink holders built into the design. We think it makes it the perfect option for both wheeling around in the garden and then taking on a picnic. This one was definitely a surprise in how much we liked it, and we think it would be a great option for multiple uses. This scooter is ideal for anyone that desires convenience in the great outdoors, as it carries all of your gardening supplies. The garden scooter keeps all gardening supplies in one convenient place. Foam cushion provides comfort while sitting, or can be removed for use as a kneeling pad. It includes 2 drink holders and a small bin inside for gathering produce or organizing supplies. Additionally, a pull strap is included for easy portability around the entire yard. Gardening just got a bit easier and more enjoyable with this scooter. Number 4. KI Store Memory Foam Garden Kneeling Pad. This kneeling pad is truly one of the most comfortable you'll find on the market. Designed with plush memory foam and a central layer of shock-absorbing EVA foam, It'll give you superior comfort and support for your knees. Whether you're gardening, using it for indoor or outdoor chores, or even using it for yoga, this water-resistant pad protects you from hard and uneven surfaces. Lightweight, portable, and foldable down to the size of a briefcase, it's perfect for any outdoor activity. The neoprene case is not only easy to clean and machine washable, but also quick-dry. Extra comfort. Our kneeling pad is made with dual layers of cushion memory foam and one layer of shock-absorbing EVA foam in the middle to offer just the right balance of comfort and support to your knees, while protecting your knees from hard and uneven ground. Number 5. Sunny Days Garden Seat with Wheels. Elevate your gardening game with this adjustable height garden cart, designed for ultimate comfort and durability. It has an adjustable seat that can go from 16.5 inches to 22 inches in height, and it also supports up to 300 pounds. It has some excellent storage extras, including a removable planter basket and a plastic utility tray. The work seat swivels 360 degrees, which helps you move as needed and reduces back strain. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, so even though it's a bit higher in budget, you can feel good about the purchase. This garden cart is solidly built to support up to 300 pounds and has a comfortable 17.75-inch WX15D seat. It also has an 11.5-inch diameter X5 H-wire basket and a 17.5 WX15.25D underseat tray for abundant storage. This convenient handle can be extended to the best length between 20-inch to 29.5. Once you've reached the desired length, use the simple handle lock to secure the handle in place. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.